guys, I don't know if we've ever talked about how I do my hair, so I thought today it would be fun just to talk through it quick. So I wash my hair probably every 2 to 3 days. If I do to day 3, typically I do some sort of dry shampoo in there, sometimes on day 2. It really depends kind of how my hair is feeling, but usually I can make it 2 days with no problem. I wash my hair with our SeneGence HairCovery shampoo and HairCovery conditioner. And then I typically put in some sort of product to prep before I blow dry. So I get my hair done at an AVEDA salon. So I have this Damage Remedy. It's a heat styling cream that I put in my hair before I blow dry it. Sometimes I also, if I'm in a hurry, I use this L'Oreal Quick Dry blow dry primer. Kind of just depends on where I am. So today I got home from the gym and took a shower. Usually I shower at night, so hair dry time is not that big of a deal because I just like hang around and then blow dry it before I go to bed. But today I used the quick dry spray because I wanted to get it done faster. So my hair feels like really silky smooth, and I just used my blow dryer and blow dried it out. I combed it out and then I just straight up used my blow dryer. Didn't use a round brush or anything like that, just blow dryer in my fingers, and it does this kind of naturally when I do that. So I use 2 different tools. Typically when I curl my hair, I use a straightener, flat iron. I have the Lang brand, is that how you say it? I don't even know how you say it. This, I think I got it on sale when they had it for like $40 or something. And then I have a BeachWaver curling iron. And I got this a year ago maybe, when my friend recommended it to me. I was looking for something that was kind of between a wand and a curling iron. And so I went with that. So when I do my hair, I use a little clamp, and I typically do it in about 3 to 4 layers. And I feel like I curl smaller pieces than my hairdresser does for sure. But the bottom I don't worry about too much. Sometimes I'll take the straightener and just kind of run it over the edges because I like my ends of my hair to have a curl but then be kind of straight. And then my cords are getting wrapped together. The BeachWaver is kind of cool if you haven't used it before. Getting wrapped all together. It's a clamp but on a wand. So what you do is you clamp your hair kind of not all the way to the end, maybe leave like a couple inches off, and then there's just a directional arrow, and you want to curl your hair away from your face. So I curl it, hold it for a little bit, and then release. And then I just let that sit there and cool while I do the next section. So I'm not going to, I'll probably maybe do a little like speed up once I get this uploaded. But then I do the next section, just let it hang for a little bit, and then release. And then I like with the BeachWaver, you can push this button and it rotates the clamp back to home, which is kind of fun and helpful. And then I do the other side and I curl away from my face again. I do most all of my hair curling away from my face. I know some people alternate hair curling, but for me, just how I like it, and especially if I need to like fix it on the next day, I just like that my hair is all curled in a similar direction. So then I take this and just kind of let it hang out, and then just drop it. If my hair kind of has a weird end to it, I will take the straightener and just kind of go after those ends, because again, I like it a little bit flatter on the end of the curl. I don't, for some reason, that's just my style. So I'm going to stop talking and just kind of work through it, and I will speed this up when I edit so you can kind of see what I'm doing without taking a ton of time. So here we go. curl. And then I'm going to just take my straightener and kind of hit the ends of my curls so they're a little bit straight on the end. Again, that's just kind of my style. And I can also see, like, if I missed a hair, which I did right there, I can go back and curl it. Then I just let it sit for a minute and cool. So I'm gonna pop off camera. I'm actually gonna go get my hairspray and I'll just come back to talk about how I finish it. All right, so I'm back. What I grabbed is our Senegence hairspray. This is our HairCovery Thickening and Voluming Hairspray. And what I do after I've let my curls cool is I just take my hands and kind of run my hands through them to kind of wiggle them out a little bit. Then my hair holds curl pretty well, but it's nice just to have a little bit of texture to it. So I just take the HairCovery hairspray and just hit it on the sides, and I'll hit a little bit in the back to kind of volume it up a little bit. But then that's it, I'm done, good to go. So it's a pretty quick process. I think my whole video took about 10 minutes and I'm gonna speed up part of it so it won't take that long for you. But it's pretty quick, and my curls with this method and with my hair hold for a couple days. Like on day 2, I might just have to touch up the side that I slept on. But I also sleep on like a silkish pillowcase to try to help with maintaining the curl too. But it's something that I figured out that just works for me. So hope that helped you out. Drop any questions if you have any, and I will be happy to answer them. But we'll talk to you later.